Title: Building from Nothing, Your Comeback Blueprint. The hook: cinematic B&W shots of a person alone, slow music. Have you ever felt stuck at a game over screen while the world zooms by at 100 miles per hour? What if having nothing is actually your greatest competitive advantage? Welcome back. Today, we're turning your zero into a foundation. Whether you lost your job or your confidence, this is your reset. Phase 1. The Zero Mindset. Ego, fear, freedom. People fear starting over because of ego. But when you have nothing to lose. You can take risks, be cringe, and fail without permission. Write down your biggest fear. Does it stop you from breathing? No, it's noise. Clear the mental clutter using Headspace before moving to the next step. Phase 2. Audit your assets. You think you're empty-handed? Let's check. Time. You have 168 hours a week. That's a gold mine. Access. You have the same internet as a billionaire. Learn coding on freeCodeCamp or marketing on Google Digital Garage for $0. Energy. Use frustration as fuel. Stop scrolling for entertainment. Start searching for skills. Phase 3. The 1% Rule. Don't build an empire today. Lay one brick. If you get 1% better every day, you are 37 times better in a year. Most people quit because they don't see results in a week. Use Trello to track small daily wins so you don't lose heart. Conclusion and action. Nothingness isn't a hole, it's a blank canvas. Every hero you admire started with a dream and empty space. Don't wait. In the comments, write one specific action you are taking today. Is it signing up for a course or waking up at 6 a.m.? Declare it. Hit like and subscribe. Let's build together. See you in the next one.